I have a 65 plate Vivaro, and it has got check ignition system with the spanner. And after scanning the car, it comes up with exhaust pressure sensor. And with the bit of research that I've done, the check ignition system and the exhaust pressure sensor fault that comes up when you scan it, it's more than likely the pipe to the pressure sensor is blocked. So I've got a couple of things that I'm going to try, and we'll see if any of it works. So once you get under the bonnet, there's the pressure sensor. You're going to have to take this hose off. There's 2 jubilees on it. Slide it out. We'll take the pressure sensor off and give it a clean with this on a drill, and hopefully that is going to solve the problem. So now I've got the pressure sensor out, put this in the pipe. Let's see, can't really get that far in. I think I need to get a wee bit further. So I think that's doing a good job, but it's not quite long enough, so I'm going to have to try and find something. I might have to go and cut up a brake cable off one of the bikes. So let me go and do that, and we'll give it another try. So I have cut one of the brake cables off of one of the bikes. So we're just going to work this in. That's as far in as it's going. There goes, quite a bit of dirt on it. So that's all cleaned out. Time to put it back together and clear the codes and take it for a run and give it another scan, or I'll know if that warning comes back up, but get it back together. So I've just done a road test. I've done about 6 miles and no faults came up. So it looks like that has worked. I'll just explain again what my issue was. So I had a injection system fault come up in the dash, and scanning it was an exhaust pressure sensor. So cleaned it out, and that seems to have helped it. But one of the things, when the injection system fault came up, if you accelerated, it would go away, and then when you went back to normal driving, it would come back again. So to me, there was a blockage, or it wasn't getting the right amount of air through, so it was throwing a fault up. So that seems to have cured it for the moment. If you've liked this, if it's helped you, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and catch us in the next one.